In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WhatsApp chats. Backing up your WhatsApp chats is really important if you want to keep your messages, photos, and videos safe, especially when you switch phones or if something unexpected happens to your device. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process in a clear and simple way, so you can follow along on your own phone. First, open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you're on the main chat screen where you can see all your conversations. From here, look for the Settings menu. On most phones, you'll find it by tapping the three dots in the top right corner, then choosing Settings. Once you're in Settings, you want to go into the Chats section. This is where WhatsApp keeps all the options related to how your conversations are stored and displayed. Inside the Chats menu, look for an option called Chat Backup. Go ahead and tap that. This is the main page where you control everything related to backing up your messages. Here, you'll usually see when your last backup was made, and you might see separate details for local backups on your device and cloud backups, depending on your phone. Before you start the backup, choose the account or service where your backup will be stored. On many devices, this will be a cloud storage service linked to your phone account. Make sure you're signed in and that there's enough space available for your messages and media, especially if you have lots of photos and videos in your chats. On the same screen, you'll see an option to include or exclude videos. Turning videos on will make the backup larger and may take longer, but it ensures everything in your chats is saved. If you want a quicker backup and you're mainly concerned about text and photos, you can leave videos out. Now, find the button that lets you back up immediately. Tap it to start the backup process. Depending on how much data you have and the speed of your internet connection, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. It's best to stay connected to Wi-Fi during this step so you don't use too much mobile data. Once it finishes, you'll see the time and date update for your most recent backup. That's your confirmation that everything is safely stored and ready to restore if you ever need it, whether you're changing phones or reinstalling the app.